How to make realistic glass material for Eevee. Let's select our object, then go to material tab, click on plus, then click on new to add a new material. Let's name it glass. Now go to shading tab. These are our default nodes. Increase the transmission to 1. Then shift plus A, transparent BSDF to add transparency. Then shift plus A, search for Fresnel, Fresnel. Add a new mix shader, shift plus A, mix shader. What does Fresnel do? Let's see. As you can see, at the middle part is darker and the edge is lighter. We can control it with Fresnel. Let's change it to 0.9. See, that's what we need to make our glass look more realistic. Now add the transparent BSDF output to the mix shader fast shader, then the principal BSDF to the shader, and the Fresnel fact to the mix shader fact. So this is what we have so far. Now our object is not transparent. To make it transparent, go to material tab, then blend mode, change from opaque to alpha hashed. Let's apply the same material to our box glass, but as you can see that we are having some problems here. Now go to render properties, check screen space reflection, then check refraction, select the object, go to material tab again, check screen space refraction. When you are making this glass material, always play with this Fresnel value. A simple change can make your glass look more realistic. To change the glass color, change the base color of the principal BSDF. Let's change it to. Now the final thing, when you are rendering, please try to change the rendering sample from 64 to like 256 or 512. Let's render it. It's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.